So once we've got our addition strategies down, now the next step is taking it into some larger numbers. Now the cool thing about our place value system is if you've got these strategies down, then looking at something like this isn't going to be too difficult for you. So what we're going to do is we're going to start in the smallest place value, our ones place, okay? Because remember, if I just add my ones, so the rule is you add ones to ones, tens to tens, hundreds to hundreds, thousands to thousands. So as long as they match up, then you're in good shape. So you have to line up your place values when you're doing this addition. And then if I get 10 ones, I can always regroup them to a 10. Okay, if I get 10 tens, I can regroup them to 100. If I get 10 hundreds, I regroup them to 1,000. So that whole idea of it takes 10 ones to make a 10, 10 tens to make 100, 10 hundreds to make 1,000, and so on. It helps you when you get to some of these larger numbers. So let's take a look here. Alright, I'm going to start by using my familiar strategy here because I know 4 plus 4 is 8. So 4 plus 5 will give me one more, which is 9. So now I have 4 ones plus 5 ones gives me 9 ones. I can't make any tens there, so I move on to my tens place. Alright, now I'm going to use my make a 10, my favorite strategy. And so I have 8 and 6. Let's steal 2 from the 6, which makes 10. I've got 4 left over, so I know 8 and 6 is 14. Ooh, in this case, I can only put one digit in a place value, so I have to regroup those 10 tens over here to my hundreds place. And so I'm going to put those up here on my hundreds place, and now move on. So here we go. Now I have 8 hundreds. I'm adding 2 more hundreds, and so that gives me 10 hundreds, add 1 more, that's 11. And so again, 10 hundreds, I can't put 11 here, but I can put 1 left over, regroup my 10 hundreds over here to my thousands. So now I have 1,000 out of the 10 that I made of the 8 and 2. And now I look over here to my thousands. I'm going to use my count on. I have a 3 and a 1, but I'm going to show you how I'm going to do this. I'm going to start with my larger number 5 and start with that digit and go 5, 6, 7, 8, add this last one, 9. And so that's going to give me 9,000. So nowhere to regroup. If I did, I could put it right here in the 10,000s place. But in this case, we only had 9, so we stop right there. So hey, once you know those basic facts, you can move right into large numbers, and you guys are going to be all set. So stay tuned.